Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Techno Spark. We are back after some weeks time period. I was not able to make videos because of lots of exams and all that, but I'm not going to talk about that right now because I've got some time, and in today's video we are going to take a look at Microsoft PowerToys, which is an application provided by Microsoft to make your Windows experience easier. So in the latest version of Microsoft Store, also disclaimer, this will only work on the latest version. So you have to download the latest version on maybe on Windows 11. This is present on Windows 10. As you can see, if I go to Store, same logo, you can get the point. Come on, this is the same store, so you can get this on Windows 10 also, but I'm going to demonstrate on Windows 11. So when you do this, search for Microsoft PowerToys or just PowerToys, and you'll land on this interface. Then click on install and it will install automatically. After that, you will land on this program. So what you have to do is click on open settings, and so this is our PowerToys window which we are going to look at. As you can see, we'll just cross out of this. And as you can see, there are a ton of things you can play with. As you can see, some of those are this is a general, which is just asking about checking updates and all that stuff. And this is the beta version, as you can see, 0.64.1. And you have a ton of options you can customize your experience with. So this is good. So you don't want to touch anything in general. Let's start with the first option. The first option is always on top. This option allows you to keep a certain window always on top, meaning, and it shows which window is always on top. So first of all, you need to enable this, and you have the keyboard shortcut Start plus Control plus T, and this will not activate when the game mode is on unless you uncheck it, because if there are some shortcuts in the game similar to this, that might be a problem. So what for now I am going to do, let's just launch our Microsoft Paint and the calculator, CLC. Yeah, as you can see, we have the calculator as well as the Microsoft Paint. Paint is a bit bad. Let's just open Notepad. Is just better. So let's do Notepad and enter. So as you can see, we have to open up 3 windows, and now the shortcut key is Start plus Control plus T. So I'll do Start plus Control plus T. And when I do this will now play the Windows 7 sound. Yeah. So basically, when you want to activate this shortcut, what you have to do is go to that window as I did right now. So I want to pin calculator this time. So I'll select this window and put the shortcut Start the Shift plus Start the Shift plus T. What is this? Just don't understand. Okay, Start Control T. Not that. So what we'll do is we'll select this window first, as I told, then Start plus Control plus T. As you can see, it plays the Windows 7 sound, and as you can see, this will come. And no matter whichever windows you will open, they will go back and not come in front. So that is kind of helpful. This effect is gone as soon as you close a window. So this is kind of useful for some time. Then we have the Awake feature. Awake features allows you to keep your PC always on, and it will not go to sleep mode. So that's good. You can keep this, as you can see, keep screen on. And as you can see, this is basically it. Then you have the color picker. So color picker is the best thing I like about this. This allows you to literally take any color and I'll put it anywhere. So this was so much helpful using my Windows Codename Jupyter video. If you haven't watched it now, it requires so much same for that arrow thing, and that was really helpful. So like if you haven't watched the Codename Jupyter video, I'll put the link in the description. For now, let's launch MS Paint and I'll just demonstrate how this can work. So as you can see, we have the paint loaded up. Let's just make this, and we'll make this like this. And for example, never mind, I want this Windows wallpaper, this particular bluish shade in this paint window. So what can I do is go to PowerToys and put the shortcut Start plus Shift plus C. Well, okay, not bad. So this is okay. So like, what you have to do is basically keep which you want. So I'll minimize the window first, so like I can see this color. And now what you have to do is Start plus Shift plus C. You can just do this, it would work. Start Shift C. As you can see, this color appears and it shows the tag or the hex code which is of that. So I want this bluish shade, and when I hover over it, it will show. When I click it, this would open this window showing the color. This shows the hex code, red, green, blue code, and HSL code. So like what I can do is go to Edit Colors, and when I have here, we have the RGB color set. So we can like go to red, and red is 152. Now block 152. Green is 39, and blue is 190. 190, not 190. And when I click OK, I'll get this same exact color as that. So when I do this, I get this same exact. As you can see, you can slightly compare this and this. So it is very accurate, and it has many other formats also. So like for example, these are all other formats you can enable from here, and the default format you can also choose. It is currently the hex thing. You can change it to any of the ones which you like. I'll keep it red, green, blue, RGB. So this is kind of great. Next one, fancy zones. So fancy zones is basically the beefier version of the multitasking tool which is provided with Windows 11. So basically when you hover around this maximize thing, you'll get all these options to multitask. But this takes it to another level. So I'll just change the shortcut because this kind of gets a bit thing. So what I can do, I'll just do Start, Shift and F. F for fancy zones. And let's click on Save. So now when I put Start, Shift, F, spinning animation. As you can see, this is the one which allows me to, so I have these things, templates. You can do however you want, but I'll create my custom layout. So for this, it asks me how do you want. I want it in a grid format. I'll name it my Windows, no, Codename Jupyter layout. By the way, this is giving me so much idea for my 23H1 version of Windows Codename Jupyter. This is giving me a ton of ideas for that. If you want to suggest even more ideas, feel free to comment below. So I'll just do this and click on create. And as you can see, you can do this keyboard navigation, and yeah. So what I can do is save and apply. I can even edit this. So like this, it can work. You can click on save. If I don't want this, I can click on right click and delete. I want a canvas now. So basically in canvas, you can customize however you want. So I'll name again Codename Jupyter style. So Codename Jupyter style, and I'll create this. And this gives you the full freedom to however you want. So for example, the first window I want is like this. For example, it even gives you the dimensions. The second one I want here. Third one I want to be fitting here. So I'll increase this. And then I want the last window to be the remaining part, which is this. So what I can do is click on save and apply. Okay, for the next one we need an image. So as you can see, I have literally just snapshotted the Windows 11 wallpaper. As you can see, the image resize thing which I have got here. This is basically the Windows 11 wallpaper image. I just used it using the screen snip app, Start Shift S. That's nothing new. As you can see, this is the image. So now this tool allows you to resize the window. So you can, like, they have their original ones, original things, you can add your custom size. But for example, I want this image, the wallpaper image, to be the phone size. For example, I want like this wallpaper to be my phone wallpaper. So what I can do is click on the thing where to right click this, and it would load up the menu. And thanks to Windows 11, we have to click the show more options, because in here what you can do is click on resize pictures. So as you can see, you get this, and as you can see, these the size styles which you have inside this program are all visible here. So I'll put phone, and you can have resize the original pictures, don't create copies. So when I click save or resize, it would create another copy of the same picture, but I will just keep it like this so we can compare. And let's click on resize and done. So as you can see, we have the both ones. This is the phone one resized, and like this is the original one. As you can see, the dimensions are actually changed. As you can see, this is a bigger, this is a smaller one, and you can apply this to your phone. So it is kind of great, to be honest. Then we have mouse utilities. So for example, you have lost your mouse where it is. So what you can do is click left control 2 times, and you will get this little small thing which kind of looks cool, which can highlight the mouse. You can also use this to highlight certain point of the text, but this is made for that. But when you click it or even scroll it, it will play this cool little animation, and it would just get all your screen and make how you want it. Is this like gesture? Never mind. I just made the gesture like that, and wait, what? I just don't understand. I don't know whether my computer is acting weird or this is actually like that. So this is kind of great. You can double click. So this is the find my thing called. So you can see when I double click it, you will have this. And find fun little thing. Wait, never mind. You can actually change the thing. So if I like shake the mouse, it would come. So that's also cool. So if I lost my mouse, what you can do is just shake it a couple of times, and I have this. Or you can put double control once. I like the double control, which is kind of great, but yeah, you can. This also you can change if you don't want it while the game mode is on. Appearance and behavior and all that stuff. The camera node, the entire thing, the video is glitched out during this part of the video. So here I am doing this again. But I am not going to show you guys. So this part, power rename, I want you all guys to tell me how to use this. It's not like I don't know, obviously. I know I've done lots of research, but I don't want to record this second time because I'm a lazy person and I don't have time right now. So I want you all how to use this. You download the program, look how to work with it, just mess around it and tell me how to use it. If you can, just drop a comment below and I'll make a shorts video on this. So yeah, so let's continue. And one of my favorite one, PowerToys Run. This is like the thing which gives you the spotlight search functionality of Mac OS X. So what you can do is Alt plus space. You can do Alt plus space and you'll get this cool little thing called Start Typing, and you can type anything. So this is very cool. This acts very similar to the spotlight search of Mac OS. You can actually search anything you want. It can search web, it can search for applications. So hope you guys liked the video. If you did, so click on like, share and subscribe. I hope you learned new things and you can use this to customize your Windows experience. You want more video ideas, comment down below, and yeah, have a lovely day. it.